Hey everyone, welcome back to Logo Design School. I am so glad you are here. Before we dive into today's tutorial, I want to take a quick second to say a huge thank you. We are officially at 97,000 subscribers. We are so close to hitting that big 100k milestone, and it's all thanks to your amazing support. If you have not subscribed yet, and hit that subscribe button right now and help us reach 100k. Alright, in today's video, we're going to design a modern, sleek and professional letter N logo step by step in Adobe Illustrator. So grab your mouse, open up Illustrator and let's get started. First, I create a line using the pen tool. Once the line was ready, I selected it and increased the stroke 22 pt. Next, I duplicate the line and arrange it into the shape of the letter N. After that, I draw a circle using the ellipse tool. Then I selected the bottom line of the letter N, go to Object menu, click Expand and hit OK. Using the pen tool again, I added a smooth curve to the bottom line and adjust its shape precisely using the Direct Selection tool. With the Shape Builder tool, I merged the curve path into a single shape and delete the unwanted overlapping parts. After that, I removed the top stroke of the letter N so I could duplicate this updated bottom piece to create a clean, balanced N letter logo structure. Next, I selected both parts of the N and used the Free Transform tool to slant the shape slightly, giving it a sleek, dynamic look. I then placed the N logo right at the center of the circle and aligned everything properly. After aligning, I select the circle and go to Object to expand. Then I select the N shape, go to Object, Path, Offset Path. Set the offset 16px and clicked OK. I selected the entire object and cleaned up all the extra path using the Shape Builder tool. To soften the design, I used the Direct Selection tool to slightly round out a few sharp corners. Finally, I saved the design to my desktop and used Google Gemini AI with a detailed prompt to convert the logo into a stunning 3D presentation. Thanks for hanging out with us, Logo Design School. Make sure hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so never miss an update.